Hey, this is your 20-minute full body workout for beginners. No equipment needed, just you. I'm going to take you through this step by step so you can follow along. Let's start with quick warm up, arm circles and then cross toe touches. Get your body ready. Now we are moving into the main workout. Each exercise is 40 seconds, then you get 20 seconds to rest and catch your breath. Remember, this is your pace. If you need more rest, take it. If you want to go harder, go harder. Let's start with squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body down like you are sitting in a chair. Push through your heels and stand back up. That's one rep. Go as low as you can but stay in control. Ready? Pause the video and do the squats for 40 seconds. Go. Awesome. Take 20 seconds to catch your breath. Next, push-ups. Get into a plank position. If regular push-ups are too hard, drop to your knees. That's totally fine. Lower your body down until your chest almost touches the ground. Push back up. Control the movement. Don't rush. Ready? Pause and do push-ups for 40 seconds. Let's go. Great work. 20 seconds rest. Next, lunges. Stand up, step one foot forward and lower your body down until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back to start and step forward with the other leg. Keep your alternating. Go at your pace. Pause the video and do lunges for 40 seconds now. You are crushing it. 20 seconds rest. Next, plank. Get into plank position. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels. Don't drop your hips and don't raise them too high. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. This is tough, but you can do it. Pause and hold a plank for 40 seconds. Go. Next, glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees and push your feet into the ground. Push your hips up toward the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower back down, that one rep. Pause the video and do glute bridges for 40 seconds. Let's go. Killing it. Next, high knees. Stand up, run in place but bring your knees up, high toward your chest. Pump your arms. This is cardio. Your heart is going to pump. Move fast. Pause and do high knees for 40 seconds now. Next, wall sit. Find a wall, put your back against it, slide down until your knees are at 90 degrees. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. This one is tough, but hold it. Pause and do a wall sit for 30 seconds. You have got this. Last exercise, dead bug. Lie on your back and lift your legs so your knees are at 90 degrees. Now slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the ground. Bring them back, then lower your left arm and right leg. Pause and do dead bugs for 40 seconds. You have just finished your first 20-minute workout. That's incredible. Now let's cool down with some stretches. Do some gentle stretches. Just breathe and let your body relax. You showed up for yourself today, and that's what matters. Do this workout 3 times a week and your body will completely transform. Follow PalFlex. Tomorrow we have another workout for you. You have got this.